Hey young scientists, welcome back to Easy Eureka, where we turn complex science into a piece of cake. Today we're diving into the electrifying world of ionic bonds. So get ready for some shocking fun. Alright, picture this. You have two friends at a party. One is super generous and loves to give things away, and the other one really loves to receive gifts. In the world of atoms, this is like sodium and chlorine. Sodium is the generous friend, always ready to give away its one lonely electron, and chlorine is the one ready to snatch it up. When sodium gives its electron to chlorine, something magical happens. They form an ionic bond. It's like the best party duo ever. Sodium becomes positively charged because it lost an electron, and chlorine becomes negatively charged because it gained an electron. Opposites attract, right? This attraction between the positive and negative ions is what we call an ionic bond. Now, let's make this more relatable. Imagine you have a bag of table salt. Yes, that simple salt shaker on your dining table. Table salt is actually made up of tiny sodium and chlorine atoms bonded together. When sodium and chlorine join forces, they create sodium chloride, or NaCl, which is just a fancy name for salt. Think of it this way, if atoms were people, sodium and chlorine would be the perfect salt and pepper dance duo at a chemistry party. Sodium is like, hey, take my electron, I'm cool with that. And chlorine is like, thanks. Now we can stick together and make everything taste better. Ionic bonds are strong because of this electric attraction. It's like when you rub a balloon on your hair and it sticks to the wall. The static electricity creates a strong pull, just like the electric charges in an ionic bond. But what happens when they're in water? Well, water is like the ultimate party crasher. It's super good at breaking up these ionic bonds. When salt is added to water, the water molecules surround the sodium and chloride ions, pulling them apart and dissolving the salt. This is why salt disappears in water and makes it salty. Water is the party magician that can separate our dynamic duo. Let's throw in another real-life example. Have you ever used baking soda and vinegar to create a fizzy reaction for a science project? Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, contains sodium ions that help create that awesome fizzy explosion. It's all thanks to the power of ionic bonds. To sum it up, ionic bonds are all about give and take. One atom gives up an electron, the other takes it, and they stick together because of their opposite charges. This bond is strong, but can be disrupted by something like water. So, young scientists, next time you sprinkle salt on your fries or watch a baking soda volcano erupt, remember that it's the amazing ionic bonds at work. That's all for today. If you enjoyed our electrifying adventure into ionic bonds, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments what other atomic antics you'd like us to explore. Stay curious, stay awesome, and chase that Eureka.